If you're wondering how to move XRP from Uphold to a Ledger Nano X, you're not alone. A lot of people get stuck at this step thinking, what if I mess this up? I hear you. It's your money. First, let's start by understanding why you'd even want to do this. Uphold is great for buying, but a Ledger Nano X is like taking your cash from a bank and sticking it in a fireproof safe. It's offline and therefore safer. Here's what you'll need: an active Uphold account with XRP in it, a Ledger Nano X properly set up, and the Ledger Live software installed on your computer or smartphone. Don't skip steps. Double-check it all. Log into your Ledger Live application and make sure you've got the XRP account added. If not, go to Accounts, click Add Account, find XRP, and follow the on-screen setup to generate a receiving address. Next, head over to your Uphold account. You'll go to the dashboard and select your XRP account. Click on Send to Cryptocurrency or Utility Token to access the funds transfer menu. It's super user-friendly at this stage. Now comes the critical part. Copy your XRP receiving address from Ledger Live into Uphold. Triple-check this. Copy-paste errors can send your XRP into a void. Trust me, this is not where you want to rush. Uphold will also ask for something called a destination tag. For most Ledger wallets, you can leave this blank because personal wallets don't typically require one. But when in doubt, confirm it's unnecessary. Here's the important bit. After inputting the receiving address and any required tag, Uphold will ask you to review the transaction. Look at the network fee. XRP fees are cheap, often fractions of a penny. Once everything looks perfect, confirm the transaction. Uphold will give you a transaction confirmation, and it'll enter the XRP ledger. Most transfers take a minute or two, but don't freak out if it's longer. Pro tip: open Ledger Live and check for incoming transactions. You'll see a pending status if the funds are on their way. When they officially land, it'll update to confirmed. Now you're set, but I'll throw in a bonus tip. Test with a small amount first. It sounds obvious, but a $5 trial run can save you sleepless nights if something goes wrong. Think of it as cheap insurance. Security tip: always verify your Ledger Live app is the official one downloaded from Ledger's website. There are phishing apps out there, and the last thing you want is to get tricked. And that's it. Now your XRP is offline, safe, and in your personal control. You've successfully joined the ranks of people who know how to protect their crypto like a boss. Feels good, doesn't it?